Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 7A and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Chrome and tap right here. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button. And when this little animation plays, that means we took the screenshot. We can check it in the gallery. Go to albums and screenshots, and here we have our screenshot. We can also take the screenshot another way. To do it, open the quick panel by swiping down twice from the top of the screen, like this, and we have a screenshot icon right here. Just tap on it to take a screenshot, like that. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.